Hello, this is Kevin from CCPipe, and I'm back once again with another quick tip video for you. And today I wanted to show you a very fast and easy way of making an animated GIF using Adobe Photoshop. So with that said, let's move over to Photoshop. And here we are in Photoshop, and I have a bit of an initial setup here. And basically we have a background and we have our logo, and then we have three little swirls here with some different rotations. And what we want to create is this rotating effect for them. And to start us off, we need to make a frame animation. And for that, we need the timeline window, which is under Window and Timeline. And then we need to create a frame animation. And there's also these video timelines, but those are more like After Effects timelines. So we need frame animation. We click on Create Frame Animation like this, and we get this initial frame here. And now we need more frames, of course. And the easiest way to do this is just to go to the options and choose Make Frames from Layers, because we already have all these layers here. So we do that. And as you can see, we have a bit too many, but that's easily adjusted. We just select it and remove it, and we remove the logo as well. And now we have three different frames. But as you can see, we have a bit of an issue, and that is that the logo and background is nowhere to be seen. Well, that's kind of easily adjusted. We just stand on this state here, and we just make it visible, and the logo as well. And we move over to the next state and do the same thing, and to the last one and do the same thing. And now we have all three states here as we wanted. And we can press play to preview this, and that's a bit too much, I think. So we can adjust the timing as well. And we select all three of them and choose maybe 0.5, and we can try again. And that's a bit more control, perhaps. Not the most artsy thing I've ever done, but it shows the point, I think. And the last thing here is that we can set how many times it should be looping. I think forever is fine here. And now really the last thing to do is to save this out. And to do that, we need to use the Save for Web option. And that's Control-Shift-Alt-S. And here we need to make sure that we have GIF selected. And then we can sort of select how many colors we need. We could have maybe 4, but we have gradients in the shadows. So I'm going to go with something a bit higher here. And you could just adjust more things if you need some file sizes to go a bit lower and so forth. But when we are done with that, we can just press save and we will be done. And that was all I had for this time. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.